Rosie, give the photo to Mama. Oh. Mom, Rose has a photo to give to you that she's crumpling up and probably eating. Rosie. Oh, Rose. Oh. You want to give it to Mummy? Should we go get Mama? Go on, go get Mama. Where is he going to get Mama? Rose, hi. Oh. Turn the light on. Rose. Rosie, come on. Rose. Yes, I am. Rose. Rose. Back it. Can you wave? Can you wave? Yeah, Ruby. What's down there? Rose. Boo. Boo. I see you. You're dancing now, kicking your legs. And now up you go. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Tiki 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 tiki. Tiki tiki. I'm gonna get ya.
Ruby,
Yeah?
do you want to flip you and her jump into the bath?
Yep. Rose, can you say bye-bye? Rosie gonna have a bath. And you're going into the bathroom. Rosie have a bath. Ducka, yuck. Rose, ducka. Ducka, ducka, ducka. Rose, can you wave? Bah. Rose, wave. Rose, bye-bye. Rose. Bye-bye. Can you wave? Rose, wave. Rosie. Bye-bye. Bob. Rosie, wave. Rose, wave. Or are you getting grumpy because you want a bath? Well, Rosie, wave. Bye. Now, bye, Nana. And she walking into outside. Go on, Rosie. What is that on it? What is that? No, ducka. Ducka, da-da. Da-da. Yuck. Can you say bye, Nana? Rose? Oh. Rose, wave. No, you can't go downstairs on your own. Ready? Clever baby. Can you wave? Bye?